You are going to love the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.